Hi, my name is Alexa Runco, and I am doing my current issue presentation on issues in esports and healthcare. Esports and healthcare are connected through various means. Esports players are athletes just as much as traditional ones who require a focus on healthcare. There is a huge gap in care for esports players. There are emerging resources to try and combat this gap. The three categories with the most prominent issues are mental health, nutrition, and physical health. We will go through the issues first and then through some of the solutions. Mental health issues. These can include prolonged screen time, which can be associated with anxiety, depression, or even social disorders. One may struggle to interact socially if esports only at home recreationally. Teams and in-person tournaments activities are a great way to combat this. Stress can lead to anxiety and associated physical symptoms. And then we have gaming disorder, which is withdrawing from life and responsibilities, basically due to an unhealthy obsession with video games, similar to any other addiction such as gambling or alcohol. Nutrition issues. Esports players often make quick or convenient choices lacking in key macros like protein, carbs, fats, fiber, and water. We don't have time to delve deeper into macronutrients, however, our course textbook is a great informative resource. Micronutrients are shown here are equally as important for athletes and esports players alike due to the improvement of neurotransmitter production and regulation, memory formation, and more. Issues with cardiovascular health. Dangers of a sedentary lifestyle include risks of obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Systolic blood pressure and heart rate increase during and after gameplay, increasing risk for those with pre-existing cardiac conditions. It would be premature to suggest esports can substitute for regular recommended exercise. Eye health issues. Gamers can experience things such as eye strain, diplopia, which is double vision, blurry vision, pain, headaches, and dry eyes, which can be itchy and uncomfortable. Cardiovascular health solutions. Although majorly undefined, esports can increase energy expenditure, metabolic rate, and cardiopulmonary function. Motion devices can improve health. This includes motion sensing mats, controllers, gloves, and boards. This would include a game like Wii Sports. Adding regular aerobic and anaerobic activity can actually improve cardiovascular health. The American College of Sports Medicine has publicly posted recommendations for how much of what kind of exercise, how often to maintain physical health. Mental health solutions. Esports is associated with stress relief, improved attention span, decreased risk of mental health disorders when players manage their mental health properly. Be sure to take some time away from the screen, focus on live, meaningful connections, and take care of yourself. Nutrition solutions. You can make consciously healthier choices and keep convenience. Meal prep is a great way to do this. You can also track macros on an app such as MyFitnessPal or simply in the notes section of your phone. Ocular health solutions. The jury is still out on the effectiveness of blue light glasses, but I personally swear by them. Eye drops are important to combat dry eyes, and be sure to take breaks away from the screen. Your eyes need a break just as much as your brain does. There's a new resource for esports players. It's one size fits all. It's called esportshealthcare.com. The esports healthcare website focuses on mental health, nutrition, and physical health. They provide informational articles and resources related to the issues we discussed here, along with the solutions. They take a holistic approach with things such as counseling, massage therapy, and health and wellness education. I encourage you to check out the website. There's a lot of really great information here. All of the resources I used are displayed here. Thank you for listening.